What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to fix an issue that appears that your featured image upload field isn't visible and isn't present for your blog authors or for any other content creator of your site. So if you go to any of your posts editor and review the right sidebar of menus, you can see the featured image field. Okay, you can upload your featured image right here. So set featured image, you click, select an image from your media library, and this is gonna be your post featured image. Okay, but sometimes this field does not appear and you can upload featured image on your site. How to fix this issue? First thing, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because you bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not just internet on the site's favor. So let's get this started. After going to this page, review the left sidebar of menu. Review the upper right corner of our screen. Next to keyword, you're going to be able to find a field called search plugins. Click on it and type user rule editor. Here is the guide that we're looking for, okay? By Valdemar. Click on install now. Click into the activate button and click into the activate button once again. That's gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, okay? But review the left sidebar of menus once again. Scrolling down just a little bit and find the users left sidebar of menus. Next to plugins, hover a mouse over it and you're gonna be able to find a new submenu called user rules editor. Click on it. Now we're gonna select the rule and change its capabilities. In this case, in my issue case, my blog content authors can see the featured image, but can be your site editor, your site contributor, or your site shop manager, okay? It's up to your issue, okay? In my case, it's the author, so I'm gonna select author. Wait while it loads. Now, I'm gonna scroll it down until it's in alphabetical order, so I'm searching for the U option, okay? M-P-R-U. And here is the guide that we're looking for, the upload files option, okay? After selecting this option, scroll up and into the upper right corner of our screen, click into this blue update button. Please confirm permissions update. Yes. So, rule successfully updated, and it is. Now, the author of our blog gonna be able to upload files and see the featured image on your fields, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, by the way, you can also delete the plugin. You have no more needs for it, okay? So, you can go to plugins, user rule editor, and deactivate and delete the plugin. The settings remains there forever. So it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free, just the comment section below. In the case that you have any question, don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or sites.gallery, that is our CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game designs. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your sites, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!